people are attracting more projects.
Thank you.
Thank you, I'm really impressed.
Thank you. Thank you. Yeah. Brown. This is just a problem.
Major problem.
Major problem.
Wait to
We are
arrive.
comparing. Yeah.
What everything now?
Yes.
Maybe it's what you said in the guy. That's what we said.
And then other internals, because all the other internals cannot start.
Forever and ever. They remove it.
Oh, but even this is finalize everything.
So you have to put security here.
Yeah, no. Also, because all the materials are ready.
That's really
And this started working.
Yes. Come and answer your question. You can't.
We're here, sir.
You have to
We were here this afternoon to inspect one of the zonal hospitals we promised our people. This is Omok Zonal Hospital. Omok Zonal Hospital is in Ebema, Ndoni local government area. But this, from what you've seen that we inspected this afternoon, is a world-class standard of an intermediary health facility. We confirmed that the contractor is working according to specification, because we want this facility to have a mortuary, a laundry, which is needed for a standard hospital, and accommodation for the health workers. You can see for yourself that you even saw a crane also working in the site of this project. We promise that this project, as part of what we promised our good people of River State, that healthcare, education and agriculture are the prime things that we must, no matter the circumstance that we find ourselves, deliver to our people. I want you to know that this afternoon is a reconfirmation of our commitment to the Rivers people, that notwithstanding the boast of the people who believe they don't want this state to go forward, that this state will be in fire so that we'll be distracted for governance. We want to tell them that while we face the fire, our eyes are on the ball. We will ensure that this particular project is delivered on time, along that of Bori, by the special grace of God before the end of this year. Amen. Thank you.
You watch back.
Take and step out. Take and step out.
There's a skylight. There's also a skylight.
So what kind of commission meeting is that?
My friend. What's your back?
Number one.
Ay, ay, ay.